Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already paired the Apple Watch and granted health permissions? Good. Now begin. Press firmly on the current watch face to enter edit mode, then tap Customize. Once done, swipe to the complication slot where heart rate belongs. Make sure you choose a face that supports complications, like in Infograph Modular or Activity Digital. You're starting with the actual face, so you place the heart readout where you'll glance quickest. This reduces taps and gives immediate feedback during activity. Next, add the heart rate complication itself so data shows at a glance. Tap the complication slot, scroll the list, and select heart rate. Pick current rate for instant BPM or digital minimum/resting for specific metrics. Once selected, press the crown to save changes and tap the face to exit. You'll see beats per minute update regularly. This works because the watch reads the optical sensor and pushes the value to the complication. Make sure the chosen face refresh interval suits your needs. Finally, enable continuous readings. Open the iPhone Watch app, go to Privacy Health and confirm background heart rate and heart rate notifications are on. For workouts, start the workout app for higher frequency polling. Make sure your band fits snugly and the rear sensor is clean so light can detect pulse. If values stop updating, restart the watch first. If that fails, unpair and repair or check health permissions on the phone. This one troubleshooting step solves most sensor or permission issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.